everyone, I am your Rubesh all-rounder. Today we are going to see about how to install effects for Wondershare FILMORA X. So there are three types of effects. One is premium library, standard library and free library. Free library you can easily download from Filmstocks, but premium library and standard library we should give money and buy it. So, but there is a website which gives it for free. So click on the link in the description which goes to that website, and that website is ask4pc.net. So here you can see many libraries here, the premium, free, every libraries, and there are 23 pages of libraries. So for example, I will show you how to download a random library. For example, I need to download this retro cinema pack. This is a library. So this contains 8 titles, 13 elements, 5 transitions and 3 overlays in one pack. So if we need to view once how it's doing, which means how the pack is, you can click on this YouTube video and you can see it. Yeah, now we will be getting into the steps of downloading it. This contains 94.3 MB, and first step is clicking on MediaFire and it loads. You should wait for the link to generate. You can see down here. After generating, we can actually click here, but it goes to another website, so we can cancel it, and once again you click it and it goes here. That is the next step, and once again if we click on next step, it goes to the next step of the link. Yeah, we get this, and now we should click on final link. Actually we don't need this web page. Now once again we should click on it. Yeah, this is the one that which we needed. So it's generating and redirecting. Yeah, we got our media file, and if we click on download and our download, yeah, actually I have already downloaded it, so I will be cancelling it. And now I will close these pages. Yeah, now we will be seeing downloads, and here is it, retro cinema, and I will be extracting it. Extract to retro cinema. Yeah, retro cinema 1.0 is the pack. So if we double click on this pack, it opens and it will show like this, and we should click on next and click on install to install it. But I actually okay, I actually have it, so I'm not going to install it again. And you may get some queries or which means error in installing. So for that you should download another app called Ask4PC Fixer. So I will be showing you how to install that Ask4PC Fixer. So yeah, if it's showing like this, we should click on this effects fixer. So if we click on this effects fixer, we will be getting the effects fixer for FILMORA. So if we download it and run it, the queries will be automatically gone and you can easily use it. So I have already downloaded that also, the Ask4PC Fixer. So you can actually see the Ask4PC effects fixer. So if I run it, any problem will be clarified, and I will install it, and that's all. it will be installed in your computer, and whenever you get this query on the time all you can run it. So yeah, this is how we fix it. If you get added and dragging into the timeline, which means the effects into the timeline, on that time also you can use this. So I think you have enjoyed this, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If it is helpful for you, also it should be helpful for others, so share this video, and if you like this video, put a like, and if you didn't subscribe our channel, first thing is to subscribe it. So thank you, guys.